There are various risk factors for brain hemorrhage. It can be due to high blood pressure, it can be due to uncontrolled diabetes, or it can be due to old age. Sometimes it can be because of some abnormality in the blood vessel, such as aneurysm, AV malformation, or amyloid angiopathy. Sometimes it can be because of some blood coagulation disorders, or sometimes it even may be because of some procedures such as angioplasty for your heart condition. Brain hemorrhage can present in various ways, such as headache, vomiting, or blurring of vision, weakness on one side or deviation of angle of mouth to one side, sometimes loss of consciousness, seizures, tingling numbness in one limb or one side of the body. Sometimes there is a sentinel headache which is new from your usual headaches for a patient, and it can be a warning sign for a subsequent big hemorrhage. See, usually the patient himself may not be able to recognize his symptoms. He may be unconscious or he may have some seizures. In such cases, the close or the relatives should identify the symptoms, what we called as fast symptoms. F, facial deviation. A, arm weakness or limb weakness. S is for speech disturbances. Or T is the time interval, which is very important. If you are suspicious, rush the patient immediately to the hospital or call our mobile helpline. Brain hemorrhage is multifactorial. We need urgent treatment for the same, and if treated early, we can have a survival expectancy up to 70%. Some patients do recover completely after brain hemorrhage, but most of them have some deficits such as limb weakness, speech difficulty, or sometimes they have seizure disorder. This depends upon the location and cause of bleeding. But with timely intervention and a good neurophysiotherapy, patient can achieve maximum. There are multiple ways for treatment of brain hemorrhage which are available, and surgery is one of them. Not all the patients require surgery. Surgery depends upon the cause, the location, and patient's condition, which is specifically tailored for the patient condition. There is no fixed rule for it. And our team at Noble explains everything to the relatives and the patient also, whatever we are doing, in depth and in the understandable language to them. Most of the brain hemorrhage can be prevented by simple measures such as regular exercise, healthy diet, taking your antihypertensives regularly, controlling your diabetes, and most of all, avoid smoking.